Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I am so excited and super grateful that you are joining in on all the fun today. And as you guys can see in this video, we will be talking all things PLANYTHING subscription box for the month of May. And I'm so happy to have my hands on it and to share it with my besties. And you guys, it's a beach vibe theme, so I can't wait to get into it. So if you want to see what's in this lovely package, let's do this. Okay, so jumping right in, I am super excited and so grateful to finally have my hands on a PLANYTHING subscription box. This is the May subscription box and it is called Beach Vibes. And y'all know I love my florals, and as you can see, it has florals in it. So the mix of florals with a beach theme, it just fits me. So I love visiting the beach. It's one of my most favorite places, fun fact about me, to vacation. So I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this whole vibe. So on the back, this little card does detail all of the things that's inside the description box, and y'all, we got a lot of goodies to get into, so we're gonna just jump right in. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like open it, and I'm trying to preserve my packaging here, but it didn't work out, so I ended up ripping it down the middle, but it's fine. And so we are going to slide it out. And do you guys see the color palette of this? Like that mix, it's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, so first we got a stamp in the box, y'all. And I'm happy about this because I don't have any stamps. And so I'm excited to finally, test out stamping and, see how I like it and everything. So this is nice. Okay, and then we got this little pen, and it has blue gems in it. This blue and pink is popping with this rose gold. It does have the PLANYTHING logo on it, and it is a ballpoint pen. And I'm happy to test this out because this pen has like some weight to it. Okay, so now we got this notebook. And I'm going to take my X-Acto knife. Everything is so nicely packaged in this box. Y'all, like, and I love that. I'm a stickler for packaging. Like, when companies and brands take their time, it just feels like they, thought about, we're especially making this for someone. So that means a lot. And so I love that this came this way. And we're going to just open it up. So, in this package tightly, too. So, which is always a good thing. The package is done right. Okay, so we have this notebook, and y'all look at that floral detail. So y'all, I love florals, so hey, just give me all the florals. It has the PLANYTHING logo on the back, and it is a dot grid notebook, just a general notebook. And there's tons of ways to use this. So I love that it's plain and simple on the inside, so you can use it however you like and whatever you see fit. Okay, and then we got this washi, y'all. And if y'all follow me on Instagram, which you should, y'all will see I have been like upping my game with the washi lately. It was one of my goals. And so this floral washi, it just matches the decor in the box. And then of course these sunglasses are cute. Okay, I love the blue and the pink vibe. Especially, like, I don't know, together. This is a nice combo and mix. And y'all know I've been into mixing florals, so I thought this was me. It was fitting what I've been doing all month. So, and now we're going to get into the stickers. And y'all, first off, let me just say this. This paper, I was impressed with the paper. Super smooth paper is what I could tell when I first opened it. And the colorful boxes, these little decorative boxes, so cute, right? And then you get some circles. And like I said, these are paper stickers, and nice thick paper too. Like this long box sticker, it's nice. And I love the circles. I love the circles. I feel like they're just a great compliment. It's going to make a cute spread or page or whatever you do to use it. It's gonna be cute. Okay, and then look at these circles, y'all. The illustrations, very just soft colors, and like, but not even like springy, very coastal, like literally beach vibes. So she nailed it. Okay, now here are our clear stickers, and y'all, these were interesting to me as well. I'm gonna try to pick one up if I can. I'm gonna grab my tweezers so I can like pick it up because this paper felt a little different to me too for clear. It was like a glossy clear sticker. I don't want to mess the sticker up at all, but I just wanted to share that with you guys just in case you were wondering. But it does have like a gloss to it and I like it. It's pretty. Okay, so now we got these floral stickers and y'all know we get 2 pages, which makes me so happy because we need our extras. And so we can do it and use it multiple times. And now what I love about her subscription boxes is that she includes scrapbook paper. I typically like to use scrapbook paper. I haven't done this in a while, y'all. So I'm excited to have some of this, you know, in my scrapbook collection. I have a lot of scrapbook paper. So it's nice to have something to correlate with these stickers all ready to go. But you can use this in your planner. Like what I tend to do is use it with punches and stuff and make like little stickers out of it. I love doing that. And you can rip the paper and like make designs out of it that way. These pages are so pretty. You got your beach theme, your sunglasses, and you got your floral design and your beach essentials on the back. And I love that they're double-sided as well. So, okay, now you guys, this planner cover is just nice. It's so nice. And like I said, everything comes nicely packaged for you. So it's so nice, y'all. Like it has this coral peachy design on the inside with the sunglasses. Like the leather, the stitching, everything is nice quality. Such a nice planner cover. And I believe it will actually fit the Happy Planner, the mini Happy Planner. I believe it will. I'll have to test it out for sure, but I'm pretty sure that it'll fit it, as well as, you know, you can use it as a TN. You got 5 bands and 6 with the tie knot, so you can fit lots of notebooks in here. You can create like a planner out of it, make it into like a bujo planner of some sort, a journal or tracker of some sort. There's tons of ways you can use this. So as you guys know, as we planners do, we like to set stuff up. So I'm just trying to get the feel for it, okay? So I had to put the little notebook in and it fits perfectly. This is the A6 size. So I feel like, you know, that's a pretty like general size and you can find tons of notebooks to fit it. And oh, it's pretty, y'all. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. That is so pretty. And I love the patterns. This is a beautiful box. And just a lot of nice little goodies and everything. And it's a great gift option too, y'all. Just saying. I think it'll be a great gift. If people are like us, they like paper, stickers, you know, stationery type items, this is a nice box to get them. So that, like, y'all, that cover, that leather feels good. It feels good. I love high quality stationery type items. So nice. And so y'all, and like the planner and me, I'm just trying to show y'all like the aesthetic and like let y'all get a feel for the box and everything because I'm loving it. Okay, so now we're gonna test out this ballpoint pen. Don't want to write necessarily on that page just yet because I'm not sure how I want to use it. I do think a travel journal would be a great idea though, to be honest with you. So, but I'm just gonna write my name. I write my name on everything most of the time. So I'm gonna write my name in the corner on the inside. And y'all, this ballpoint pen writes extremely smooth. And it's like a deeper, like a darker ink, a richer ink, if you will. It's a nice ballpoint, y'all. So don't sleep on the ballpoint pens, okay? I don't sleep on them. On a good one, I promise you, I will use it. So that's so nice. I'm super excited to add that to my pen collection because I'm a pen lover and it's a beauty. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this box. I want to know your thoughts. Are you planning on picking it up? Please see my description box for the link below. This box is on sale now and you can pick up just this box if you would like, or you can actually sign up for the subscription and get all of her boxes. She tends to release them at the beginning of every month. So yes, you guys, this is a nice one to definitely pick up. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions below. I would love to chat with you. And I want to thank you all so much for being so sweet, so kind. Shout out to Amber from PLANYTHING for sending this over to me. I appreciate it, and I appreciate your love and kindness. And until next time, bye.